I've known the groom since day one. He's one of those people that we've done everything with. From learning to walk, to elementary donuts with dad, to skydiving and starting a 401k.
'Cause I only have eyes for you.
This guy has taught us to walk with confidence, be present in the moment, and take the scary leaps in life. And plan for the worst, but hope for the best.
'Cause I only have eyes for you.
Because this guy is a planner. He's a very organized planner. And he also puts dates on light bulbs with a Sharpie.
You are here, so am I. Maybe.
But there's one thing that this guy couldn't plan for, and it was meeting Bonnie.
And I only have eyes for you.
It is true that we met on Tinder. I didn't want to have a long-distance relationship or a long-term relationship 5 years ago, and Bonnie saw that on my profile and swiped right immediately.
That I met Bonnie, we went out for dinner and drinks with my dad, and I actually brought Julia as my reinforcements, meeting my dad's new girlfriend at the time. You could tell he was very nervous to introduce us to her, which was unnecessary because we ended up having the time of our lives. We had a great time out, and at the end of the night, she asked us all, "How are we doing?"
But they all disappear from you. I only have eyes for you.
And years later, now the answer is clearly very well, because here we are at their wedding. And so we're just very excited to welcome her into the family. We've loved getting to know Bonnie and are very honored to have her as a part of our lives from here and forever.
Knee-jerk reaction is fight or flight. First sign of color, I run and hide. But you came like rain on a summer night, and I think you're rewiring my mind. I've been taking cover under
Who here
my
gives their
skin,
personal blessing and wishes for endless happiness to Bonnie and Brian in their marriage?
Baby, it's like a light storm to be yours. Thunder crash until the sky's torn. You're like a light storm, a light storm.
I, Brian Tinas, take you, Bonnie Bielik, to be my wedded wife, to laugh with you in joy,
To laugh with you in joy,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grow with you in love,
to grow with you in love,
and to share all the experiences of life with you,
and to share all the experiences of life with you,
as long as we both shall live.
as long as we both shall live.
Baby, it's like a light storm to to be yours, finding freedom in the downpour. You're like a light storm, a light storm.
I, Bonnie Bielek,
I, Bonnie Bielek,
take you, Brian Tinas,
take you, Brian Tinas,
to be my wedded husband,
to be my wedded husband,
to laugh with you in joy,
to laugh with you in joy,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grieve with you in sorrow,
to grow with you in love,
to grow with you in love,
and to share all the experiences of life
and to share all the experiences of life
with you as long as we both shall live.
with you as long as we both shall live.
So before I met Bonnie, I was hearing wonderful things. And when I did finally meet her, I could see why they were such a great match. Both of them love having fun and prioritize time with each other, friends, and family.
It was the end of December. Oh.
Days will be long, but the years will fly right by. Don't waste another mile or a minute not kissing me. Brian, you may kiss the bride.
I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you, yeah. I never knew that I could love someone the way that I love you. I never knew.
I love Bonnie. She is the most beautiful person inside and out. And I am so happy to welcome Brian into the family because he is just the same. They are like two souls together. And meeting his family, you guys are absolutely wonderful. And I'm so happy that our families are joining. And so let's take a toast to Bonnie and Brian. Cheers.
This woman has made me so happy. She's so funny. We have so many laughs together, and we talk about it all the time that we have a lot of laughing to do. And we enjoy every day with each other and appreciate it. And we appreciate our family and our friends, everybody here and outside of here. So thank you for being part of this. We are so happy for the future.